Hello my dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. I am Miss Pinky. Welcome you all to the RKP online classes. Students, today we are going to start one new topic of chapter 2. Okay, today we will discuss about decimals, and in this chapter there are fractions and decimals. Okay, and we have already discussed about the fractions, so today we will discuss about decimals. Okay, now first of all beta, let us see what is the meaning of decimals. Decimals are the numbers which consist of two parts, namely a whole number part and a decimal part. Okay, and these are separated by a decimal point. For example, 23.54, 13.5, 751.43, etc. Okay, here beta, you can see in this number 23 is written before this point. Okay, and 54 is written after this point. So before the point we are having whole number part. Okay, before the point we are having whole number part, and after the point we are having decimal part, or you can say fractional part also. Okay, and this point is called decimal point. So in a decimal number we are having two parts, whole number part and decimal part. Okay, and in the between there is decimal point. डेसिमल जो पॉइंट है उससे पहले का जो पार्ट है वो क्या है बेटा, होल नंबर पार्ट, और डेसिमल पॉइंट के राइट साइड का उसके बाद का जो पार्ट है वो क्या है, डेसिमल पार्ट. ओके, now students, let us see the decimal place value chart beta. Okay, we have already discussed about the place value chart of whole numbers in our previous chapter. Okay, now let us discuss the decimal place value chart. So you know very well beta that in the decimal number we are having two parts, and whole number part and decimal part, and these are separated by a decimal point. Okay, so here you can see decimal point, and before the decimal point we are having whole number part, and after the decimal point we are having decimal part. And here you can see the places according to whole number part, and here places according to decimal part. Okay, and here the places will be according, means in the whole number part the places will be according to whole numbers. Okay, like ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, like this beta. Here before the decimal point first place is ones place, then tens place, hundreds place, then thousands, 10,000s, like this beta. And after the decimal point first place is tens place, tens. Okay, next is hundreds, next is thousands. Okay, tens means 1 out of 10, tens means 1 out of 10, and hundreds means 1 out of 100, not 100. Okay, here is written hundreds, here is written S after D, but here THS. Okay, THS. So here hundreds shows 1 out of 100, and here hundreds shows 100. Okay, here you can see the numerical values for every place. Okay, 1, 10, 100, here 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000 beta. Okay, and like whole numbers, here also we can see that values are decreasing when we move from left to right. Okay, and values are increasing when we move from right to left. Okay, here if we check tens and ones, then ones place is 10 times greater than tens place. If we check tens and ones, then tens place is greater than ones place, 10 times greater than ones place. Okay, if we check hundreds and thousands, so here also hundreds place is 10 times greater than thousands place. Okay, now beta, let us see how can we represent the numbers in decimal place value chart. If I write here 73.431. Okay, so how can we represent this number in the place value chart? Here in the between decimal point. So here we will put the decimal point. Now before the decimal point we are having 3, then 7. So in ones place we will write 3, in tens place we will write 7, and here will come 4, 3 and 1. Now beta, let us see how can we read it. Okay, how can we read the decimal number? Before the decimal point we are having whole number part, so we will read it like whole numbers. Okay, we will read every digit together. Here 73, so we will read it 73, but after the decimal point we will read every digit separately. Okay, like 431, 73.431. If I write here 59.302, so how can we read it beta? 59. Okay, 59.302. So like this we will read the decimal numbers. Okay, but beta, there is one another method also to read the decimal numbers. Okay, according to that beta, we will read this whole number part as it is, but this for this decimal point we will write and we will write or read these together, these all digits together, but at the end we will write the name of the place of the last digit. So according to that, how can we read this number beta? 59 and 302 thousands. Okay, we can read it 59.302 or 59 and 302 thousands. Okay, here you can see 59.302 or 59 and 302 thousands. 302 thousands. Okay, if I write here 3, then how can we read it? According to second method, 59 and 33 hundredths. Okay, at the end we will read or write the name of the place of the last digit. Okay, so 33 hundredths. Okay, so like this we will read and write the decimal number. Now students, let us see how can we write the expanded form of decimal numbers. Okay, and we have already discussed about the expanded form of whole numbers. Okay, so like whole numbers beta, here also we have to find the expanded form. Okay, to find the expanded form, first we have to find the place values of every digit and then we will add them. Okay, so now let us see. So here beta, we are having 735.231. So here we want to find the expanded form of this number. Okay, so first we will write the places. First we will write the place values of every digit. Okay, so let us start from here. First we will write the places. Okay, for every digit. So here before the decimal point will come ones, tens, hundred. Okay, after the decimal point, here first digit, first place is tenth place, then hundredth place, then thousandth place. Okay, so now how can we write the place value for this one beta? Here we will write 1. Now we will multiply this 1 with the numerical value of thousands. And what is the numerical value for thousands? 1 by 1000. Thousands means 1 out of 1000. So here we will multiply this with 1 by 1000. Okay, so 1 by 1000 is the place value of this 1. Now let us see the place value of this 3. 3 multiply 3 comes in the hundredths place. Okay, so 3 hundredths or 3 multiply 1 upon 100. So 3 upon 100, or we can say 3 by 100 is the place value of this 3. Now place value of this 2. So to write the place value of this 2 beta, we will multiply this 2 with 1 by 10, because this 2 comes in tens place. Okay, this 2 comes in tens place. So place value of this 2 will be 2 multiply 1 by 10. So 2 by 10. 2 upon 10 is the place value of this 2. Now let us write the place value of this 5, and it's very easy. Okay, 5 multiply 1, 5. Now place value of this 3 will be 3 multiply 10 means 30. Place value of this 100 means this 7 will be 700s, or we can write 7 multiply 100. So 700 will be the place value of this 7. Okay, 1 upon 1000 is the place value of 1. 3 upon 100 is the place value of 3. 2 by 10 is the place value of 2. 5 is the place value of 5. 30 is the place value of 3. And 700 is the place value of this 7. Now, we have to add these all to find the expanded form. Okay. So now, let us write the expanded form for this number. Okay. First, we will write 700, then plus 30 plus 5 plus 2 by 10 plus 3 by 100 plus 1 by 1000. Okay, it's the expanded form of this number. Now let us write expanded form for one more number also, beta. If I write here 13.231. Okay, so we want to write the expanded form for this number. So here also, first of all, we will write the place values for every digit and then add them, or we can write directly. Okay, first write the places for every digit. So before that decimal point, here ones place, then tens place, here tenths place, here hundredths place, and here thousandths place. Okay, so now let us directly the expanded form. First we will write the place value of this 1. 1 is in the tens place, so 1 multiply 10, then 3 multiply 1, then place value of this 2 multiply with 1 by 10, then 3. Okay, this 3 comes in hundredths place, so 3 multiply 1 by 100. Okay, then 1 comes in the thousandths place. Okay, so 1 multiply 1 by 1000. Okay, so now 10 ones are 10, 3 ones are 3. Here we will write 2 by 10. 2 ones are 2 and upon 10. 3 ones are 3 and upon 100. 1 ones are 1 and upon 1000. So this is the expanded form for this number. Okay, now 7, 5, 2, 4, 3. Now beta, you have to find expanded form for this number by yourself. Okay, 75.243. Okay, you have to find expanded form for this number by yourself.